Hive optimization, partitioning, bucketing, and sampling. Data storage. In the previous lessons, you have learned that by default, all files in a dataset are stored in a single Hadoop distributed file system or HDFS directory. Hive is considered a tool of choice for performing queries on large datasets, especially those that require full table scans. Hive has advanced partitioning features. Data file partitioning is very useful to pruning data during a query in order to reduce query times. There are many instances where users need to filter the data on specific column values. Using the partitioning feature of Hive that subdivides the data, Hive users can identify the columns, which can be used to organize the data. Using partitioning, the analysis can be done only on the relevant subset of data, resulting in a highly improved performance of Hive queries. In case of partitioned tables, subdirectories are created under the table's data directory for each unique value of a partitioned column. You will learn more about the partitioning features in subsequent sections.